Our third law is a raised to the power m multiply b raised to the power m. Now your base are different and your power is same. Now what you will do, you will multiply these two, a multiply by b, and m can write only once because it's common on both side. A raised to the power m multiply b raised to the power m, you can write it as a multiply by b and a whole raised to power m. Now this is our third law. This is our third law. You have to mark up all these laws. Now with the help of this law, we are going to take one example. So example is, suppose if I take negative 4 upon 3, negative 4 whole raised to the power minus 3 into, then I'll take negative 5 whole raised to the power minus 3. Now this is in the form of a raised to the power m multiply b raised to the power m, which means you have to multiply the base first. So different base but the power is same. So your first base is negative 4 multiply, second base is negative 5 and the whole power is negative 3. So multiplication of two negative number is always positive. We learn in the class 7 that multiplication of two number or multiplication of two negative number or multiplication of two even number is always positive. So negative 4 multiplied by negative 5, that is 4 5s are 20. It's positive 20 because negative multiplication of two negative number is always positive, or multiplication of even number is always positive. So 20 whole raised to the power minus 3. Now again this is in the form of a raised to the power minus m, again negative exponent. Again what we will do, by using a raised to the power negative m, we can make this negative exponent into positive by taking a reciprocal. Exponent goes to the formula formula the base chain any so laws of exponent la formula the negative exponent. Now we are making the reciprocal of this number. So when we make reciprocal, it will become 1 upon 20 raised to the power 3, which means this is your answer. Goes to say this is the third law of exponent. Now coming to the next law. Okay, fourth law. The fourth law is a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m, which means you can write a divided by b whole raised to the power m, or you can write it as a raised to the power m b raised to the power m, or you can write it as a upon b whole raised to the power m. What does it say? Yangna a divided by b whole raised to the power m tine devore yamana a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m yamana a divided by b and whole raised to the power m. Power the chikpa and base the law. What does it say? On the basis of this law, we are going to solve one example. Tata, if I take an example in this form, suppose I took a number 2 upon 3 whole raised to the power minus 2. Now we are going to express this like in this form. The formula here that okay, 2 raised to the power minus 2 and 3 raised to the power minus 2. Now this is a negative exponent. This is also a negative exponent. Now by using the formula again we are going to interchange this into positive exponent, which means first number will become 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2 and divided by second number will become 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2. Or you can write it as a 1 upon 2 square. This is a division, right? And when it move from denominator to the numerator, its operation will be changed. Machane means the numerator, denominator and numerator la dona reciprocal just multiplication chaira. So 3, we will take a reciprocal of this number. So 3 square will become like this and 1 will come here. So 1 2 की square घसोरे 1 upon 4 multiply 3 की square घसोरे 9 upon 1 and our answer is 9 upon 4. So 9 upon 4 is our answer. Go to say okay. Now coming to the next law. Now coming to the fifth law. Fifth law is a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, which means power of power, right? Power ki power. So a raised to the power m, we can write it as a raised to the power m into n. Power of power is always multiply. Power a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n. So power of power is always multiply. So you can write power of power is always multiply. So this is the formula that a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n can express as a raised to the power m into n. Again we are going to take an example according to this law. Example tata 4 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power minus 3. Now this is like a example of a fifth exponent. So power ki power railer. So we can write it as a 4. So 2 multiplied by minus 3. And then it will become 4 as it is. 2 3s are minus 6. So 4 raised to the power minus 6. Again you can using a raised to the power minus m is equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m. Again this is a negative exponent and you are going to convert this negative exponent into positive exponent by taking a reciprocal of this number. So you can write it as a 1 upon 4 raised to power 6 and this is your answer. Understood chase? Till now we have learned a 5th law and now we left with the last law. Law took your law took your but 진짜 개와랑 안서 가래 negative exponent दिसा와 장래. 신다 상마 지바 지기한래. 하겠어. Okay, our 6th law is a raised to the power 0 is always 1. Which means any number raised to the power 0 is always 1. र नंबर खसु मो खसु छिम्बो न होंदी गला पावर ले कोई ना आंसर दिखा दू इने चिक छेरे. फॉर एग्जांपल 2 raised to the power 0 is always 1. 10 raised to the power 0 is always 1. 100 raised to the power 0 is always 1. 1000 raised to the power 0 is always 1. Any number raised to the power 0 is always 1. With this, we will come to the end of our chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.